Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Leia's Great Channel. And today I'm going to make a beef caldereta, and guys, I'm going to show you my ingredients. Guys, we have beef. My beef is 2 pounds, okay? And of course, I already cut my 1 onions, chop my garlic and my bell pepper, and of course I put my carrots and my potato in here, and sweet peas. I use I'm not advertising it, but I'm using Mamacita Caldereta mix, spicy mix, because my husband loves it. And now guys, I'm going to fry my beef first, okay? So I'm gonna show it to you. I already heat my oil. There you go. And I'm going to put it's already hot, I'm sure, because I reheat it first. So I'm going to put my onion first. I just use 1 onion. So you can double it, you want to make more of beef caldereta. Usually I make 2 pounds and then I just use 1 big onions and garlic, a few cloves of garlic, garlic cloves, oh my god. Well, I think all of us, we Filipinos know how to make our beef caldereta, right? So this is how I make mine, the way I make my beef caldereta. And then after that, I put my garlic. I fry my onion first because you can easily burn the garlic, so I don't want my garlic to get burned because it's gonna taste like different. So that's it. I don't have a red bell pepper, so I use my orange. That's all I got. Smells good now. Leave it for a while, and now it's okay. I'm going to put my beef. I already washed my beef and drip it down the water. So now it's just going to be like that. Ganyanin na muna natin. I'm just going to do like that. So I'm going to use pepper and salt. Oh, I don't have salt anymore. I need to put more. Guys, you just adjust your salt and pepper, your preference taste, because usually when I cook it, I don't measure my salt and pepper because I gonna simmer it later. I put water in it and simmer it until it get tender, and then I don't turn it over yet because I didn't see that the other side is already brown or light brown, we called it. In the minute I'm gonna turn it over. So here it is. If you see your meat is changing color and the red is turning into brown, then that's it. And I add my water actually. Yan. That's it. So, okay. So guys, since it put water, so I'm gonna put my water, okay? I will add more salt. So I'm gonna put water. Yeah, your water should be over your meat, okay? So there you go. And I add a little bit more there. Yep. So it should be enough. Yeah, let it boil first. Maybe I will add more salt. So guys, I used Himalayan salt, but you guys, you can use anything you like, okay? It doesn't matter what kind of salt we use. Sometimes I use sea salt, Himalayan salt, so I add more. Yeah. Because I put some water, so I need to put more salt. And Himalayan salt, there you go. And then we need to wait until boil, and I cover. I put the lid, the cover on it. So guys, kumukulo na siya. So ilalagay ko na yung ating takip. Simmer ko na muna siya. So guys, simmer muna natin siya ng an hour maybe. So let's see. Okay? So after that, we can put all our ingredients after our beef meat is already tender. So guys, ayan na. After 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Pero I will add some more water. More water guys, ito. Alright, that should be enough, I'm sure. So I will add more salt. Nilagyan ko na siya ng salt ulit, a little bit, because I add more water. So I add more pepper too. That's fine, it's just a little bit. And boil it again and cover back, okay? Every time you put some water, you need to boil it again and put the cover back or the lid back. So guys, tatakpan na natin ulit siya kasi nag-boil na siya, so that might be good. So we simmer again for a while. So let's see how long, okay? It's already been 35 minutes, so yeah, guys, after, you know, another 30 minutes, ito na po siya. See? Pwede na. It's ready. I take some of the other side of it because add more flavor in it, you know. Don't waste it. Ito na po. Malambot na po siya. Malambot na po siya. See? Yan. Oops, ang init. Yan, malambot na. So guys, what will I do next is Mamacita. This is my secret. So I cut it. I open it already. I cut it and then I just pour it the whole pack. Okay. And mix it. Yeah. Mix. Yan. There. And just boil it a bit. Boil natin siya. Okay. Okay. And that's it. Now, I'm going to put the carrots and the potato. I just use my hand, guys. So, nilagay ko siya sa tubig. I put it in the water because I don't want the potato to get dark, you know. When you cut the potato, magda-dark siya kapag if you don't put it in the water. So, you put it in the water to keep it from turning black. You know. So, again guys, we're gonna simmer it. Ay, sorry. There. Ano na siya. Sarap na. Pero simmer muna natin siya, ha. I will time it. Okay? I will time it. How many minutes? I will time it. So, let's do it. Cover it back. So guys, after 15 minutes na guys. So after 15 minutes that I put the carrots and the potato, we'll check it. And I can put my bell pepper na. So I'm gonna put the bell pepper. Yan. Bell pepper ko. Halo natin. We will mix it, guys. Mix it. Yeah. Mix. So guys, halo natin muna. So, sarap na. Ang sarap ng amoy. Guys, last but not the least, ang the best. Halo natin siya. My sweet peas. Oh, diba? Oh. Favorite to guys ng husband ko, saka nung in-laws ko. Ito yung kinakain nilang lutong Pinoy. So, simmer natin siya ng konti. Kasi, luto na naman yung fish. Luto na siya. So, ayoko siyang ayoko siyang mag-mash ba? Ano ba yun? Tawag sa Tagalog mo? Lumambot ba? Lumambot talaga yung winter. Okay, titikman natin yan. Mamaya-maya, luto na siya. So, hang on. So guys, after a few minutes, here it comes. Yan na siya guys. Lutong-luto na siya. Yan na ang aking beef caldereta. O, diba? Kasunod na yung ginawa ko, ha? It's easy. So, what did I do? It's easy. Okay, titikman natin kung masarap na siya. Guys, tikman natin siya. Tikman natin guys. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Masarap siya guys. Kasi, malambot yung beef. Thank you. Luto na. Here's my beef caldereta. Yan na.